How to access Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can access Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now accessing Facebook Marketplace is very simple. You open up the Facebook application and then you will just find the marketplace icon from the top of the navigation menu. Now from here you can simply look through the products on Facebook Marketplace, but sometimes let's say you don't find that marketplace icon there. You can still find it because it is hidden inside the shortcuts tab. To find it, tap the three lines option from the top right to come to the menu page. Right here under your shortcuts you will find all this. You can look for marketplace icon and tap on see more. If you don't find it, then you'll find marketplace icon there and then you can get it back. So marketplace icon will show up over here if you start using them frequently, because that bar over there will show up the items that you use frequently. If you start using marketplace more often, it will start showing up at the top of the menu. So this way you can go ahead and then access Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.